What makes the 2024 Amsterdam Street Art Tour so special? Here at the White Tulip Hostel, we have the answer. In 2024, the street art scene in Amsterdam is more vibrant than ever, featuring stunning new murals and installations all across the city. A key hotspot remains the NDSM Worf in Amsterdam Noord, known for its ever-changing exhibitions and artist residencies. This year, there's an exciting new twist: augmented reality (AR) features that allow visitors to interact with specific artworks via smartphone apps. Imagine this: as you stroll through the streets, your phone brings the colorful murals to life, adding a digital dimension to this urban canvas. And if you're feeling inspired, some guided tours even offer workshops where you can create your own piece of urban art under the guidance of local artists. New legal graffiti zones have also been introduced, making Amsterdam a haven for both established and emerging street artists. The tours, departing from accessible locations like Central Station and the Dam, last 2 to 3 hours and take you through a variety of creative neighborhoods. These guided experiences offer in-depth insights into both the contemporary art scene and the urban development of Amsterdam. For those staying at the White Tulip Hostel, getting to the NDSM Worf is a breeze. Simply take the free ferry from behind Central Station, a mere 15-minute ride. Plus, booking through the White Tulip Hostel website offers exclusive discounts, whether you're opting for a single bed in a mixed dorm or a 4-person room. There's something to fit every budget. Want to experience Amsterdam like never before? The 2024 Street Art Tour offers a captivating blend of visual art, hands-on activities, and cutting-edge technology, perfect for casual admirers and art aficionados alike. Dive into this unforgettable journey of urban creativity,